Let Garmin assist getting you started with your DieselCam OTR 725 truck navigator. Your DieselCam OTR 725 device will come with a vehicle suction cup mount, vehicle power cable, and vehicle power adapter. Let's begin by going over the DieselCam OTR 725's hardware. The power button is located in the upper right-hand corner on the back of the device and is indicated by the power symbol. On the bottom right of the device is the USB-C port, which is used for connecting to a power outlet in the vehicle with the included vehicle power cable. This port is also used for connecting to a computer or AC adapter. There are two microSD memory card slots on the bottom edge of the device. The slot on the left is for adding storage space for maps and data. The slot on the right is for storing video footage from the dashcam. A 16GB memory card will come pre-installed in the camera slot. You can use a compatible memory card with a storage capacity up to 512GB for either slot. The camera can be moved horizontally to provide an optimal viewing angle while mounted. Now that we have covered the hardware basics, let's go over mounting and powering the device. Determine where you would like to mount the device on the windshield. Choose a location that provides the dash camera with a clear view of the road. Then clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. It is your responsibility to ensure the mounting location complies with all applicable laws and ordinances and does not block your view of the road during the safe operation of your vehicle. Press the suction cup to the windshield and flip the lever back toward the windshield to secure it. Next, plug the vehicle power cable into the USB-C port on the device. Plug the other end of the vehicle power cable into the vehicle power adapter. Then plug the vehicle power adapter into a 12-volt power outlet in your vehicle. Do not plug the cable into a power splitter, as this may cause power issues. Fit the tab on the bottom of the mount into the slot on the back of the device above the memory card slots. Press the device into the mount until it clicks. Adjust the device for better viewing and operation. If necessary, power the device on. If the device does not power on after being connected to power, press and hold the power button for up to 30 seconds. Release the power button when the Garmin logo appears. We are now ready to begin the initial setup of the device. Choose your locale and select OK. Then choose a language and select OK. Read and accept the End User License Agreement. You will be asked for your consent to Garmin collecting, using, and sharing your device data. Select either yes or no. Next, you will be asked to connect your Garmin Diesel OTR Navigator to the Garmin Diesel mobile app. Select Connect Now. Scan the displayed QR code with the camera app on your mobile device to get started with the pairing process. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the pairing. The Garmin Diesel app adds features to your Garmin Diesel device through your smartphone's existing mobile data plan. Features include traffic, weather, diesel community information, the ability to back up saved data, and more. Connecting to the Garmin Diesel app also gives you the option to purchase a subscription to the Garmin Vault. Saved videos and incidents can be stored securely in the online Garmin Vault and can be accessed from the Garmin Diesel app. Next, you can connect to an available Wi-Fi network. Select the network you would like to connect to. If necessary, enter a password and select Done. Read and agree to the warning. Now, we will need to create a vehicle profile. Routing and navigation are calculated differently based on your vehicle profile. It is critical that you are as accurate as possible when entering your vehicle information. Select your vehicle type. In this video, we will be selecting the tractor option. The following options may differ depending on which vehicle you select. Next, select your trailer configuration. Select or enter your vehicle's maximum height, and then select Next. Then enter your vehicle's maximum width. Enter the total length of your vehicle. This will include any trailers. Then, select the current gross weight of your vehicle. This includes the weight of the load you are currently carrying. Ensure the actual weight of the vehicle has been entered and not the maximum possible weight of the vehicle. Setting the profile for the maximum possible weight may result in unneeded restrictions. Next, enter the gross weight rating for the vehicle. Select any hazardous materials that you are carrying. Or select None and press Next. Choose whether to allow roads only accessible for deliveries. Your basic vehicle profile has been created. The wrench button is used to edit information and add additional vehicle information, such as axle weight. Ensure that the rest of the trucking profile information is accurate to avoid incorrect routes. Press Select to continue to the main screen. We will now begin the initial setup of the camera. Begin by selecting the horizontal camera location of your device on the windshield. Then, select the height of your vehicle. Select OK to proceed to the camera adjustment screen. Make sure the camera is pointed straight ahead and provides optimal view of the front of the vehicle. Adjust the camera as needed, then select Done. If you would like the dashcam to begin recording automatically each time the device starts, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. Select the pieces of information you would like the dashcam to record along with the video footage. Select Save to finish the dashcam setup. The initial setup has now been completed. If necessary, go to an open area with a clear view of the sky to acquire satellite GPS signals. Lastly, let's check for available updates to your device. You can use a computer and the Garmin Express software if necessary, but the Wi-Fi option requires fewer steps. To successfully complete a Wi-Fi update, a wireless connection to home high-speed internet is required. It is important to avoid using a mobile hotspot. From the main screen, select Settings. Then select Updates. Your device will automatically search for available map and software updates. A blue download arrow indicates an update is available. A green checkmark indicates it is up to date. Select Install All to start all available updates. Read the important installation notes and select Start. If you have not connected your device to a power source, you will now be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen prompts. These updates will take an extended period of time. You will not be able to use your device during the update. Once the update has finished downloading, wait for the device to restart. Your DieselCam OTR 725 is now ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.